Here I am going to consider two equations. Of course, they are not in quadratic form, quadratic equation. And now I will transform these two equations to the standard form of quadratic equation. Then I will solve the equation, that quadratic equation, and thereby will give the solution or roots of the given equation in the problem. Now you can see here quadratic equations, solving quadratic equation by formula. Now you can see the example. Find the roots of the following equations. One is x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. X is not equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, that is 1 by x is going to be infinity. Then it is not going to be no more quadratic equation. It will not transform into quadratic equation. Similarly, this second example, 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to not equal to 0 and x is not equal to 2, and these are the restriction because of the same reason as I have told in case of example 1. Now the solution for 1, solution 1, that is x plus 1 by x equal to 3 and x is not equal to 0. Multiplying, let me call this is equation 1, multiplying the equation 1 by x, and therefore by x we get x square plus 1 is equal to 3x, and that is I would like to take my 3x to the left hand side. That is going to be x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, which is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Originally it is not in the form of quadratic equation. Now I am turning that equation into quadratic equation, and therefore the roots of the equation x is equal to, by the formula states that minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now here in the equation, in equation 2, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1, and therefore x is equal to minus of minus 3 plus or minus root of b square, I mean minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a means 1 into c means also 1 divided by 2 into 1, and that is x is equal to 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 4 by 2. That is x is equal to 3 plus or minus root of 5 by 2. So the roots are roots of 1 or 2, and hence of 1 are x is equal to 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2. These are the roots, and now you can see the second example. Solution for second example. Second examples is 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3, and let me call it as equation number 3. Multiplying the equation 3 by x into x minus 2. So we get x minus 2 minus x is equal to 3 into x minus 2. Simplifying this, minus x plus x is getting cancelled here. This implies minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus 6x minus 2, that is 6x. That is going to be 3x square minus 6x, and take this 2 to the right hand side, and here plus 2 is equal to 0, and dividing throughout by 3 we will we can't divide, otherwise it is going to be a fraction. Here we call this is equation 4. Here in 4, a is equal to 3, b equal to minus 6, c is equal to 2. Therefore, by the formula, the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and hence by this formula, hence x is equal to minus 6, b equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of what is that, b square minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2, that is c, and this divided by 2 into 3, and this is going to be 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 24 divided by 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 plus or minus root of root of 36 minus 24, that is 2, 1, 2 and 1 divided by 6, that is x is equal to 6 plus or minus root of 4 into 3 by what is that? 6. That is x is equal to 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 6, and therefore x is equal to 3 plus or minus root 3 by 3, root 3 by 3, because I am going to take out 2 outside and cancel it with a 6, so we will get this is, therefore the roots are 3 plus root 3 by 3 or 3 minus root 3 by 3. This is the solution for the second equation.